Come on, Mr. Mummy, give us something beautiful. Let's go. 450 bet. We need your help here. It's a good start, but we need a lot more, okay? Let's go, Mr. Mummy. 2 more. Oh my god, why there? Okay, big ones. 1 more green. Oh my goodness, that's huge. That's pretty big to start. Please, let's get something. Let's get one of these huge progressives randomly inside here, please. Oh my god, more. Oh my goodness, this is so big. I don't want to jinx it, but it's pretty big so far to start. 2-cent denomination, 450 bet. Let's get a jackpot, please. Oh, the minor randomly in there. Okay. Minis 20. This is pretty big to start, guys. Let's go. Something. You know what I mean? Oh, more big ones? Okay. All right. More green ones, please. Thank you. What is that? Please don't stop. I need the help here. Thank you. Mini again, 20. All right. 1 more, and then 5 more. That was a big one, but 1 more, and then 5 more. Thank you. It didn't do it, but it's still pretty big. I can't be mad. You can slow clap that one, little mummy. You can slow clap that one. Thank you. 368. We like it. Thank you. Thank you, Mo Mummy.